Hello, dear students. This is your teacher, Professor Nirmal Kumar Swai, Department of Library and Information Science, MD University, Rohtak, Haryana. So, welcome to this video lecture series. We are developing it for the PhD students of the paper Research and Publication Ethics. This video could supplement your reading for exam preparation. You have attended the classes, then must have read other sources also, so you can use it for your further reference. Publication. So under this publication series, we will discuss only books and journals. So books are over in previous lecture. Journal as a publication. Journal as a publication. So in study and research, especially for the research, any kind of research, the journal plays a pivotal role in especially collecting, gathering latest information. So journal gives you new or latest information regarding research findings, research report in any subject or in any field. Okay. So journal is different from books. You all know that, but some other aspects we'll discuss about how how these journals can be located in databases from that point of view. So by the content you know that journal gives you new information, journal gives you latest information, journals give you the ongoing research, journal give you the report of completed research. So in this sense it is very much important. Okay. So traditionally journals were published in traditional mode, in print mode, but these days print is almost I won't say nil, but journal is being the physical form of journal, printed form of journals are being vanished. It is coming through the digital or electronic mode. Okay. So e-journal. Okay. But the basic structure of journal remain unchanged. Basic structure of journal remain unchanged. Do you know how? So journal has a name like a book also. Journal has a name, say International Journal of Political Studies, Journal of Commonwealth Literature, Indian Journal of Biophysics. So there is a name, the title of the journal. Okay. Then one important aspect of journal is its periodicity. Its periodicity. Like in a book, any time it would be published. It doesn't have a fixed periodicity. Means what time it would be published. Any time. Okay. Sometimes they bring out the books in the month of, say, any time rather, January, February, July, so that the book will be sold out. But in case of journals, so most cases journals are quarterly you find, but there are half yearly also, there are biannually also, there are annually also. Okay. So mostly find there is it is published once in 3 months or 4 issues 4 times in a year. In that year, suppose 2021, it is called the volume. Volume 1, 2, 3 like this. The first year published is the first volume. Second year published, the second volume. And number of times published in a particular year, that is issues. Okay. So volume, in one volume, there may be 2 issues, there may be 3 issues, there may be 1 issue also. Getting my point? So to trace a journal means not like a book. To trace a journal means which issue you are interested. Okay, maybe volume 20, issue 4, if it is quarterly. Okay, so volume, normally you must have seen in while referencing the journal articles, we mention the volume, sometimes VOL dot, or sometimes don't write anything. 37 means volume, and next to it maybe in the form of bracket or slash you write the issue number. Are you getting my point? The periodicity, number of times it is published, that means the number of issues comes in. Okay, so this is to trace. Okay, then come to journal. There are other parts of journals also. What the journal does? Journal publishes research papers or research article. Research article, okay, sometimes we call it article also. In a particular journal, particular issue, in a particular issue, so it is 10 articles published. If it is quarterly, then in 1 year, 10 into 4, so 40 articles are published in an year. So accordingly, okay, so this is what. Sorry. In journal case, so and we sometimes search a particular journal because we come to know, so Indian Journal of Political Science, because first we come to know that, so the research areas of my interest are published there. So then I search there. So gradually over the years of experience, so I also come across the other journals, profile journals, good journals, qualitative journals. Journals are also published by big publishing houses. Okay, so thousands of journals in all the field. Very important articles, research papers are carried in by these journals. Okay, so so if you want to search something, then you go to particular, maybe electronic form, digital form, or a hard copy, or your print form. You go to the journal, go to that issue, and so look at the content page like of a book also. Then you so here it happens, like at a point of time you can search a particular journal, particular issue, but here you are blank about the topic you are searching in that journal. Okay, are also available in many journals, which you don't know, because journal you read through your library access. You go to the library, each and every university library, they have limitations in font. So sometimes they subscribe 1 or 2 journals, profile journals, international journals, which is very costly in your library. But in that case, you cannot access more than 2 or 3 journals. Or if it is electronically or digitally subscribed also, so maybe 10 journals. Even that 10 journal may be enough or may not be enough. There might be 10 journals, but the areas of interest, the areas of related to my research are available only 1 journal and 2 issues out of these 10. So maybe for me as a researcher All these 10 journals are immaterial for me, even if costly and a library being subscribed. But I cannot demand a library. I can request for a particular article or so. For me, the librarian cannot change the subscription of good journals. Even though suppose they subscribe journals of my interest also, what happened to other researchers? They too demand other things also because their interests are not available. So the subjects are become so diversified, so interdisciplinary, so multidisciplinary. So number of journals are coming up, and it is up to your library how much money or limitations it has to subscribe those hard copies. Although these days electronic copy has been, digital subscription has low down the cost, maybe with the similar cost we purchase only 4 times higher, not 100 times, maybe 4 times higher journals to our library, but not more than that. So here the problem arises, the kind of things you are searching, it should be available. It should be available, with less cost. And I can, how do I know that the areas of research I am searching literature? Where are those journals in which the topic of my research are available? The topics of my research are available. It is not known. Okay. So there are many limitations, and those limitations are almost over, and when we enter into databases. Okay. So journal articles, sometimes the good people also regularly contribute, right? So you go by sometimes the topic or the title, topic of the, we search through the topic and we go to that, the full text. Okay. So in journal, the full articles are published. We sometimes call full text. Okay, full text, entire article is available. But the limitation is that I cannot know what are those journals which publishes articles of my interest. I may not buy those. And not possible even buy all these. Even if I buy also all those, I have money, but sometimes of no use. Initially, I might think that it is of my interest, but actually which is not. But this much is sure that I cannot know. Okay, so many issues remain unsolved so far the journal articles are concerned. Okay, so getting my point? So here the concept of database kind of things arises. So these are the background to fulfill our curiosity. Then we enter into database concept in next lecture. Thank you. So please ध्यान से देखें YouTube चैनल और लाइक भी करें.